YouTube, your weekend gardener. This is day 2. My soil was delivered yesterday, and actually it's a combination. I think he calls it Leafpro, but the crazy thing about it was it rained yesterday, and look at this. This thing is still hot to the touch. I mean, you can see the steam coming off of it. I mean, yeah, it's so hot I can't keep my hand on it that long. So whatever this is I think it's pretty good. My guys came through yesterday while I was out to work on this, and they pretty much cleaned out my, I guess it's called my leaf mold or grass clippings bin, and they filled this one as high as they could, and they filled this one as high as they could, and that's so I don't use so much of that leaf soil. That stuff is expensive. I should have enough definitely to take care of this bed, and I'm going to take care of this one. I have to put a brace on this one right here. They're coming today. Hopefully they have better saw tools than I do and measuring skills, and they can put a brace so I can get these things done. Today, as soon as this one's done, I'm going to start planting today, especially if the compost is not hot anymore. I would throw some of these plants in it over here, like the watermelon. I have plenty of watermelon. They need to definitely go in there like today if this can cool off. Then some of these are going to go there too. Yeah, these are ready. I may feed them one more time today and put them in one of the beds tomorrow. Same thing with I believe these are the watermelon. Wow. Yeah, these things should explode once they're in that good stuff, in this good stuff. The guy was telling me that this is highly sought after. He had to go to a couple of places to find it. He was able to find it for me. More expensive than what he promised before, but here it is. And I'm not trying to spill a drop of this. Oh, it's heavy too. I thought it'd be light. So this is a combination of leaf mold, probably wood chips. I can see wood chips in here, and soil. I think the next batch I get from him is going to be just soil. So today I'm not going to do too much because I do have to work later on up until almost midnight, and maybe I can think of some indoor stuff to do as I sit at my desk and work. Figure out what I'm going to plant tomorrow with seeds I can start. But this is pretty much what I'm going to do today. I have a lot of stuff in the house, ungarden related, that needs to be done. So busy day. Today is what is today? Today is the 21st of May. So tomorrow 3 of these beds should be done. Stay tuned.
2,000 years later.